Hello students, this video is for grade LKG. So let us start. We have three different sections in this sheet: English, Maths and EVS. We will learn about three different subjects which are English, Maths and EVS. So let us start with the first section, English. The question is, circle the word that begin with vowels. Circle the word that begin with vowels. As we all know, there are 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. These are all 5 vowels. So in this question, we have to circle the word that begin with vowel. उस word को circle करना है जो vowel letter से start होता है. Means A, E, I, O, U. इन letter से start होने वाले words को हमें circle करना है. Understood? Yeah. Let's see the words. First word is issue. I, double S, U, E. Issue. Okay. So it starts with the letter I. I is a vowel. So we will circle the word issue. Issue means होता है problem. Okay? Issue means problem. Rise. Next word is rise. R, I, S, E. Rise. Okay, it starts with letter R. R is a consonant. So we will not circle this word. We will not circle this word. Rise. What does the word rise means? Rise का मतलब क्या होता है? Grow करना. Okay, grow. As we all say, sun rises from the east. Sun कहाँ से होता है? East से होता है ना. Sun सूर्य की दिशा से उगता है. That is called rise. Grow करना. Okay, grow up होता है. Low. L O W. Low. It starts with letter L. Letter L से start हो रहा है. And letter L is a consonant. So we will not circle this word. L. Low means क्या होता है? Means low मतलब होता है कम. As we say, battery is low. And my energy is low. Means कम. Okay. July. July. What is July? July is a month of a year. हर साल एक month आता है after June. That is July. J U L Y. July. It starts with letter J, which is a consonant. So we will not circle it, as we have to circle only that word which starts with letter A, E, I, O, U. Means which starts with vowels. Okay, vowel letters. उन्हीं words को circle करना जो vowel letters से start होते होंगे. Understood? Yeah. So you have to read the word and then see the first letter. First letter देखना है word का, and then only you have to circle the word if the word is starting from vowel letter. Now let's move to the next question. Write opposites for below words. Write opposites for below words. ये जो वर्ड दिए हुए हैं इनके ऑपोजिट लिखने हैं. जैसे कि हमने कहा आगे पीछे, राइट लेफ्ट, ईस्ट वेस्ट, अप डाउन. ये क्या है? उल्टे वर्ड है ना. अगर ऊपर नीचे तो ये ऑपोजिट हुआ ना. इस तरीके से हमें इन वर्ड्स का ऑपोजिट राइट करना है. मतलब उल्टा. इसका उल्टा क्या होगा? द फर्स्ट वर्ड इज हैप्पी. H A double P Y. Happy. Opposite of happy is sad. Happy मतलब खुश और sad मतलब उदास. S-A-D. Sad. Sad मतलब उदास. Heavy. H-E-A-V-Y. Heavy. Heavy मतलब भारी. Opposite of heavy, it will be light. Means halka. L-I-G-H-T. Light. Heavy, light. The third word is far. Far means dur. Okay. Far. The opposite of far will be near. N-E-A-R. Near. Near मतलब पास. N-E-A-R. Near. Far, near. Understood? In this way, you have to write the opposites for these words. Let's move to the next question of maths. Our next section, maths. What comes in after the number? In this, we have to write after for what comes after. What comes after 2? 2 के बाद क्या आता है? 3. Yes, 3 comes after 2. Now, what comes after 8? 9. 9 comes after 8. What comes after 5? 6. 6 comes after 5. What comes after 1? 2. 2 comes after 1. 1 के बाद 2. 5 के बाद 6. 8 के बाद 9. 2 के बाद 3. 3 के बाद 4. Yes. So in this way you have to write what comes after. जो नंबर दिए हुए हैं इनके बाद क्या आता है. For getting these आप इन्हें काउंट कर सकते हो. Like what comes after 6? 6 के बाद. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6 के बाद क्या आया? 7. So we will write 7. What comes after 4? 4 के बाद क्या आया? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 के बाद 5. So in this way you can count and after then you can write what comes after the given number. Understood? First of all you will count. आप पहले count कर लेंगे and then you will get what comes after. Now let us see the last section which is of EVS, Environmental Studies. The question is color the doctor picture. Okay, in this we have to color this picture which is of a doctor. एक डॉक्टर की पिक्चर बनी हुई है and we have to color this. हमें इस पिक्चर को कलर करना है. As we all know, doctor wears white coat, black pant, white coat and almost a red tie, white cap. So, and a red cross on his head, red plus sign which helps to mark us out with the aid sign, which is a aid sign. Aid means help. Okay, aid sign, help sign. Okay, aid means help. So you have to color this picture of a doctor. How does a doctor help us? Doctor हमें help कैसे करता है? It treats us when we are sick. वो हमारा इलाज करता है जब हम बीमार होते हैं. He gives us medicine. हमें medicines देता है, हमारे चेकअप करता है, हमारे टेस्ट करता है और हमें क्योर करता है. Okay, so this was all about today's sheet. We have studied 3 different portions, 3 new topics. I hope you all have understood this sheet very well. If you still have any kind of doubt related to any question, you are free to ask me. you can ask me. Thank you.